Effects of tariff under general equilibrium. General equilibrium of tariff in case of a smaller country. Here we consider in case of a small country. The assumptions are trade take place between two countries. There are two countries between trade, nation 1 and nation 2. Home country is nation 1, which is a small country. And there are two commodities, commodity X and Y. There are two commodities being exchanged between these two countries, nation 1 and nation 2. The two commodities are X and Y. X is an exportable commodity and Y is an importable commodity. X is exportable commodity and Y is importable commodity. The imposition of tariff by nation 1 upon importable commodity Y raises the import price of Y for domestic producers and consumers up to the full amount of tariff. The imposition of tariff by nation 1 on commodity Y raises the import price of commodity Y for domestic producers and consumers up to full amount of tariff. And world price of commodity Y remain unaffected, and the revenues collected by the government through tariff are spent by the government to subsidize public consumption. The revenue collected by the government through tariff are spent by the government to subsidize public consumption such as schools, health services, etc. These are the main assumptions of effects of tariff under general equilibrium in case of smaller country. The production and consumption effect of tariff of country 1 can be analyzed through this figure. Here AA1. AA1 is the production possibility curve. AA1 is the production possibility curve. In the absence of trade, in the absence of international trade, consumption and production equilibrium is at point B. In the absence of trade, consumption and production equilibrium is at point B. Under free trade, production equilibrium is at point E. Under free trade, production equilibrium is at point E and consumption is at point R1. At community indifference curve C2. Under free trade, production is at point E and consumption is at point R1. R1 is at, so price ratio is P0, P0 and indifference curve is C2. Under free trade, production takes place at point E, consumption will be at point R1, at community indifference curve C2 and price ratio is P0, P0, that is terms of trade, price ratio. In the absence of trade, production and consumption at point B. Under free trade, production is at point E and consumption is at point R1. And community indifference curve is C2 and price ratio, that is terms of trade is P0, P0. Then at this point, nation 1 export FB of X. Nation 1 export commodity X and Nation 1 imports commodity Y. At point E, Nation 1 export FE and Nation 1 imports R1F of commodity Y. Nation 1 export FE and Nation 1 import R1F. This is under free trade situation. If tariff is imposed, world price of commodity remain the same. There is no change in the world price of the commodity. But the price ratio become P1B. If tariff is imposed, the price ratio is P1B, which is parallel to the price ratio of P0. After the imposition of tariff, price ratio is P1B, which is parallel to the price ratio of P0. And then production shift to B. Where Nation 1 produces larger quantity of commodity domestically. Commodity Y domestically. Production shift to, after the imposition of tariff, production shift to point B. Earlier, under free trade situation, production was at point E. After the imposition of tariff, the production is at point B, where Nation 1 produces large quantity of Y domestically. Earlier, production was at point E. Now, production was at point B. In case of commodity Y, the production of Nation 1 is increased. In case of commodity Y only. This is the production or protective effect of tariff. After the imposition of tariff, the production of commodity Y increased. That is the production or protective effect of tariff. But consumption shift from R1 to R2. Consumption shift from R1 to R2. This is the consumption effect of tariff. Point R2 is at lower indifference curve compared to point R1. R1 is at is at indifference curve C2, but R2, in case of R2, the indifference curve is C1. That is lower indifference curve. Lower indifference curve means lower level of satisfaction. Okay, as a result of tariff, there is a reduction in the welfare of tariff imposing small country. So, tariff has caused a reduction in the welfare of tariff imposing country. Production of importable commodity increases, but the consumption of commodity declines. After tariff, Nation 1 export BD quantity of commodity X. Earlier it was FE. After the imposition of tariff, Nation 1 exports only DB quantity of commodity X, but imports R2D quantity of commodity Y. Earlier it was R1F. Now it's reduced to R2D quantity of Y. After the imposition of tariff, export is reduced to BD of commodity X and imports R2D of commodity Y. The adverse effects. What are the adverse effects as a result of imposition of tariff in case of a smaller country? First one is, since world price remain unchanged, tariff failed to improve the terms of trade of home country. Since world price remain unchanged, tariff failed to improve the terms of trade of home country. There is no improvement in the terms of trade of home country. Second, since production of Y increases in home country, there is a diversion of resources from production X. Since the production of commodity Y increases in home country, there is a diversion of resources from production of commodity X. That is reduction in the specialization in commodity X, and there is a misallocation of resources, that is loss to the country. As a result of imposition of tariff, there is a misallocation of resources, that is loss to the country. As a result of tariff, specialization of commodity X reduces and the production of commodity Y increases. There is a misallocation of resources. That is loss to the country. And third point is lower indifference curve indicates loss in welfare. After the imposition of tariff, the equilibrium is at point R2, consumption, in case of consumption. That is R2 is at lower level of indifference curve, community indifference curve. So, lower level of community indifference curve indicates lower level of welfare. And last point is tariff not only reduces the imports but also exports of the tariff imposing country. Earlier it was export was FE under free trade, but after the imposition of tariff, export of commodity X reduced to BD. That is, tariff not only reduces the imports but also export of a tariff imposing country. Reduction in volume of trade is not only loss to imposing country but also of the rest of the world. The reduction in the volume of trade, export also reduced, imports also reduced. So, reduction in the volume of trade is not only loss to the tariff imposing country but also to the rest of the world. The loss not only to the home country but also the rest of the world. This is the effects of tariff under general equilibrium. This is the effects of tariff under general equilibrium. This is a case study in case of small country. Thank you.